Welcome to BOLDEC e-learning. This video will cover the concept of tables in Excel. What is a table in Excel? And if that is not a table, then what is it? Well, what you insert into Excel as raw data is simply a range. It is not a table. And in order to have a table, you need to tell Excel about it. So what are the advantages of using tables? Using tables will help you format the data easily and will give you access to filtering and sorting and many other tools. First things first, let's insert a table into our worksheet. So we will select the range that we want to apply a table to, and we will use the shortcut Ctrl T. Okay, I will have a create table pop up. We can select the range, change the range selection, and we have another tick box. My table has headers. Yes, it does. My table has headers, and we will press OK. There you go. This is our table now. Another method to do that, let me just undo that using Ctrl Z. We will select the range. We will come to the home ribbon. Under the styles, we have format as table. We will select any style. We can change it later. As you can see, the same pop-up will appear. Let's press OK. Excel tables and borders doesn't work well together because tables will not apply borders in an orderly manner to your table. Therefore, for the sake of this example, we will remove all borders. No borders. Let me delete this row, this column. And there you go. This is our table. Okay, so how do I increase the size of this table? We have two options. Either using this this corner here, the right bottom corner, I will increase the size of the rows, the number of the rows, or I can increase the number of columns. The other method is to simply write new data. So 6, let's say Jack, and fill out the others. Let's say I want to add a new column. I will simply come to the F column and then write a new header. For example, leaves. Okay, and there you go. You will have the same formatting as the table since this column is now part of our table. Whenever you have your table selected, so if you have your cell selected inside of the table, you will have a new ribbon appearing on top. It is the design ribbon under table tools. So we have many options. First of all, we have table styles. We can change that. As you can see, Excel will give you a preview of the style. Let's use that. I don't like this color. Let's use the green colors. We can have personalized formatting. For example, the last column will have special formatting. Now it will not work because it is empty. Let's say 10. As you can see, 10 will be bold because we have last column formatting. If I take out the stick, 10 will be normal formatting just like the others. I can have special formatting for the first column. As you can see, it is now bold. I can have banded columns, just like I have banded rows, I will have banded columns. And finally, I can add a total row on the bottom. Total row will be for the last column on the right. Okay. So one last important aspect of tables is that whenever you apply a formula in in the first row of the column, it will apply it to the whole rows. We will talk about formulas in the next video, but let me show you an example here. So for example, let's say new column, new salary, new salary, enter, equal, this is to insert a formula. We will select the old salary plus 1000, for example, and press enter. And as you can see, now Excel applied this formula to all the rows that are here. I simply insert the formula in the first row and Excel will apply it to the other rows. Don't worry about the equal sign, don't worry about referencing. We will talk about that in the formulas video, which is the next one. Inserting a table will also give you the option to sort and filter automatically from the headers. So using this drop-down menu in every header, as you can see, you can sort and filter your data. We will talk about sorting and filtering in a separate video because this is a very important tool provided by Excel. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you and take care.